to land a 777-300 ER properly on a runway in GeoFS. So first, click approach. I'm gonna get into the cockpit. Pause it. So you want to lower 4 flaps. Put your gear down in 6 to 7 throttle. Because this is a heavy plane, so we need a lot of throttle to land this. Okay, so I'm a bit high, so you want to get a bit lower in order for it to be a good landing. So keep yourself steady, just like how you always do it. This does not have a heads-up display, so you will just have to land on the visual. Okay, so you don't need much instruments for this. You can really feel like how you're landing. So if you're a bit too fast, so you wanna, I'm on perfect approach, well, not fast, never mind. Okay, so I'm on perfect approach, 0 throttle. For the touchdown, I want to do 3, and then we're just gonna try to touch down. Okay, we touch down. We'll pull up a bit, full reverse, and yeah. So maybe I forgot to go 4 flaps, but before landing, before touchdown, you want to toggle 4 flaps. So I apologize, I forgot to toggle 4 flaps, but even if I did toggle 4 flaps, it would be the same. So it's fine if it glitches like that. That's how it's supposed to be. So, as you can see, that landing was very bad. We're going to try again. That's a demonstration of a bad landing. Okay, guys. I messed up, but sorry, but we're going to play back the approach. So, right before touchdown, you want to put full flaps. Keep a steady approach path. 0 throttle to make sure I don't go too fast. Touchdown, full reverse. It was way off center line, but it was fine. It was a good landing. As you can see, a steady approach. Very nice touchdown. Bit in the air. That's called a bounce landing, and that's what you don't want. So as a final touchdown, I will show you guys how to properly do this. Rudder right. No wait, my bad. So I'm gonna click to here. So I'm gonna resume. So full flaps. So we're gonna bring our plane down, and then we're gonna try to rudder to keep ourselves on center line. So you wanna keep a good approach path. 3. So that's how you do it. Should be able to stop. So according to that landing technique, the 777 now, the nose will automatically go down a bit, so you will have to pull on it a bit to kind of keep the nose in the air. Yeah, like that. As long as the wheels don't need to go really good. Full reverse and move away. So that's all, guys, for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that helped you, and see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.